Dear learners, welcome back to your educational channel Learn and Educate, where we were studying about the Income Tax Act 1961. In this video, we would be studying about Section 2, Clause 45, wherein it says about the total income of the person. Total income of the person means the total income which has been referred, the total amount of income which has been referred to in section 5 of the income tax act 1961, and that income which is computed in the manner which is prescribed in this income tax act 1961. The As per the chapter 2 of the income tax act 1961, under which section 5, the scope of total income, wherein it states about the provisions, subject to the provisions of the income tax act 1961, the total income of a person in any previous year, the total income with respect to the previous year of a resident, of the person who is resident in India. It includes all the income which is derived from any source. The income which is derived from any source with respect to the person who is resident in India includes the source of income which is received in India, and the source of income which is deemed to be received in India of the person who is resident in India. For the person who is resident in India, the income includes the such income which is derived from the source of income which is derived as accrues in India, or deemed to accrue in India. The income which arises in India, the income which is deemed to accrue in India, and the source of income which accrues to the person who is resident in India outside India during the previous year, or the source of income which arises to him outside India, then that source of income would be calculated in the total income. But subject to the provisions of the Income Tax Act 1961, it states that in the case of a person who is not ordinarily resident in India, as per the meaning of section 6 of clause 6, then the total income will include the income which accrues or arises to him outside India. Then the income which accrues or arises to him outside India shall not be included, considered, wherein the it is derived from a business which is controlled or a profession set up in India, wherein it does not, wherein only the income which is arrived from a business controlled in India or a profession set up in India, except this, the income which is accrues or arises to him outside India shall not be considered under the definition of total income. And where the total income of any person who is a non-resident, it includes all the income from whatever source which is derived, which is received in India, or is deemed, which is deemed to be received in India on behalf of such a person, or when that income accrues in India, or deemed to accrue in India, or that source of income arises in India, or deemed to arise in India, wherein the person who has been, that income shall not be deemed to receive in India within the meaning of the section, when the reason that it is taken into account in the balance sheet which is prepared in India. Therefore, the income of a person which has been ascertained on the basis of accrue in India or arise in India, which is received in India, or which is deemed to be received in India, shall be considered for a person. There are category of persons divided as resident and resident not ordinarily resident. For the resident, every income which is received in India or deemed to receive in India, arise in India or deemed to arise in India, accrue in India or deemed to accrue in India, or accrues or arise to that person, to the resident outside India during the previous year, shall be considered into the total income. And there are certain exemptions given for the resident not ordinarily resident. Therefore, as per Section 2, Clause 45, total income means the total amount of income which has been calculated, which has been referred to as per Section 5 scope of total income, wherein there are few provisions with respect to income received or deemed to receive in India, accrues or deemed to accrue in India, the source of income which arises or deemed to arise in India, that would be calculated, considered, and added to the total income in the previous year of the person, that is the assessee.